Front back. Roll out. Roll out.
Wow, I am so happy to be here today at the Purple Villa Awards.
Purple.
I'm joking.
Oh, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. मैं हूं नेहा धूपिया and काजोल, I love you. मतलब ये इतनी जो हिम्मत मुझे आपसे मिल रही है ना, आई विश बाकी सारी ऑडियंस भी इतनी खुश होती मुझे देखकर, बट इट्स फाइन गाइस, एक काजोल ही मेरे लिए काफी है. बट थैंक यू. आई फॉरगॉट माय लाइंस. हाय एवरीवन, आई एम नेहा धूपिया और मुझे एक को-होस्ट की अनाउंसमेंट हुई थी ना रितेश की. कहाँ है रितेश? ट्रैफिक में तो नहीं फंस गया? रितेश, 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 मैं एक बात बताना
जी. Hi Ajay. Hi Kajal, how are you?
Oh, I'm sorry. Ajay, hi. The mesmerizing person sitting next to you. I forgot to say hello to Mr. Ajay.
We have Milap Zaveri here tonight.
Oh, Milap ji. Good
जो
evening.
काफी heavy duty personality बन के आए हैं आज.
You know, I want to say a huge round of applause to you, Ritesh. You know, कई लोग हैं जो सीधा इतने committed होते हैं ना, जो रिहर्सल से आते हैं. आप सीधा ICU से आए हैं.
नहीं मैंने क्या किया ना नेहा, मैंने हॉस्पिटल का सीजन पास कटवा लिया है, तो आने जाने का आसान हो जाता है. इजी एंट्री एग्जिट थैंक्स टू द मूवीज ऑफ 2025.
सीजन पास और वो भी हॉस्पिटल का. आई मीन, व्हाट इज द कनेक्शन? आई डोंट गेट इट. मूवीज मतलब मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा.
तुम समझ नहीं रहे हो, मैंने सैयारा देखी. इतना रोया ना, मैं डिहाइड्रेट हो गया, इसलिए हॉस्पिटल जाना पड़ा मुझे.
ओह, सैयारा की वजह से तुम हॉस्पिटल गए?
नहीं मैंने धुरंधर भी देखी.
ओह,
हाँ, वो क्या है ना, रहमान डकैत की जो मौत है ना, वो बड़ी कसाई नुमा थी, मेरे लिए दवाई नुमा होगी. उसकी परफॉर्मेंस देखकर मुझे मेरा बीपी लो हो गया यार, इसलिए मुझे फिर हॉस्पिटल जाना पड़ा.
ओह, तो इसीलिए तुम हॉस्पिटल?
नहीं, मैंने धुरंधर 2 भी देखी.
अच्छा.
इतने ट्विस्ट थे, मैंने बोला क्या क्या क्या, गर्दन अटक गई.
ओहो.
हाँ, इससे पहले मैं एक और बुरा जोक क्रैक करूं, काम पे चले.
बिल्कुल चले. एक्चुअली हमारे पास 2-3 और जोक्स थे पर हम क्रैक नहीं कर रहे हैं बिकॉज वी
क्या है ना, ऑडियंस का रिस्पॉन्स देखकर समझ जाना चाहिए वो क्या करना चाहिए.
बट हमारे साथ रहिए सर, बहुत लंबा शो है, बट वी विल ट्राई एंड एंटरटेन यू एज मच एज वी आर राइट नाउ. पहला गैग हैज ऑफिशियली फेल्ड. रितेश, कैसे लग रहा है आपको?
व्हाई नॉट, लेकिन अवार्ड देने से पहले उन्हें थैंक यू बोल लेंगे.
Our presenting sponsors, Greens by Danube Properties, powered by partner Megha Shri, jewelry partner PC Chandra Jewelers, celebration partner Sangam, crafter Bar Collectibles,
ग्रूमिंग पार्टनर बियर्डो, सक्सेस पार्टनर डायरेक्टर स्पेशल इलायची,
storytelling partner Pocket FM, outdoor media partner Bright Outdoor Media Limited, radio partner Radio City 91.1,
गिफ्टिंग पार्टनर IGP, वेन्यू पार्टनर JW Marriott,
hosting partner Ritesh Deshmukh.
होस्टिंग पार्टनर नेहा धूपिया.
Hey!
चलो पार्टनर, अब देते हैं अपने अवार्ड. व्हाट्स से
अब वक्त है उन्हें अवार्ड देने का जो 2400 घंटे फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट, सेकंड ड्राफ्ट, थर्ड ड्राफ्ट की दुनिया में रहते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स, जिसे कहते हैं ना, राइटर बाप होता है, हमारे डायलॉग राइटर्स.
वी वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज अमी पटेल.
The winner is Milap Zaveri for Ek Diwana Ki Diwaniyat.
मिलाप ज़वेरी, कांग्रेचुलेशंस. एक दीवाने की दीवानियत.
क्या बात है, क्या डायलॉग्स थे, क्या पिक्चर है. It's amazing.
इस फिल्म के सारे डायलॉग्स वायरल हो गए थे, आधे मिलाप ने रीट्वीट किए थे. कांग्रेचुलेशन मिलाप. I'm sure you'd want to say a few words.
Now that you're giving me the mic, I'll say a few words. Thank you, Ritesh. Thank you so much. Thank you, Neha. Thank you, Pink Villa. Thank you, ma'am, for this award. It's the first time in my career of 25 years I'm winning awards for a film I've written, Ek Diwane Ki Diwaniyat, that I directed too. And I want to really thank Harshvardhan Rane first and foremost for agreeing to do this film. Sonam Bajwa, my producer Anshul Garg. These are the 3 people without whom this film wouldn't have been possible. Mushtaq Sheikh, my co-screenplay story writer. The entire team of Diwaniyat. Raghav Sharma, the co-producer. And it's honestly, this film proves that there are no written rules in this industry. when you make a film from the heart, it can reach out to the audience, to the masses. And I also, not because you're here, Ritesh, but thank you for always being there, for being my Sethji and one of my closest friends.
गलती हो गई.
I know, I know you were going to say that. But thank you so much for this award for Ek Deewane Ki Diwaniyat. Thank you for all the love. Thank you.
Congratulations, Milap.
Congratulations, Milap.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ami. And now it's time to announce the award for Best Lyrics.
And to present this award, I would like to call on stage Mr. Angad Bedi.
Good evening, Ritesh bhai. Good evening, Neha. You both look lovely. Very
You're
well
looking
dressed.
great. Irshad.
Okay, and the winner is Irshad Kamil sir for Sayyara title track.
Yeah, thank you very much, Pink Villa. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. गाने तो और भी मैंने अच्छे लिखे थे पर अवार्ड एक ही गाने को मिलता है. So I am taking this on behalf of Mohit Suri and Tanishq and all music team, YRAP team, all the members of Sayyara Film, and thank you very much to Back Force for my work, Tasveer, my wife. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Irshad ji. Thank you, Angad.
And the next award is for Game Changer of the Year, OTT and Cinema Female.
And to present this award, we would like to call on stage Mr. Fardeen Khan.
And the winner is, this is a huge honor for me. She's considered one of the greatest actors of her generation and definitely one of my favorites, the one, the only, Kajol.
Congratulations.
I had a whole speech prepared, by the way, but this has been the most fun awards that I've been to in a while. It has been absolutely backbreakingly amazing. Normally I come alone for the awards, but this time I brought my +1 along for a change. But thank you so much for giving me this award and for having the excellent taste and the high IQ of choosing me. So thank you so much once again.
Many congratulations, Kajol. The next award is for someone who's been entertaining audiences for the past 3 decades. The award for Greens by Danu presents 3 decades of cinematic excellence.
And to present this award, I would like to call upon stage Mr. Chunky Pandey.
What's this? Okay. Wow, I am so happy to be here today at the Purple Villa Awards.
Purple.
I've been joking.
Oh,
But this one, giving this award is the most special thing because the first time I saw this great star was when he was just a kid running around making home videos in Kalumal Estate where he lived. And today, he is the superstar of the country. This one goes to Ajay Devgan.
Kajol, this gentleman here has won so many national awards and now this award for 30 years of excellence. What do you think?
He's just pleased that Kajol is giving the speech.
Yeah, he's really pleased, and he had decided already in the car that whatever happens, please, when I go up on stage or if I go up on stage, make sure that you're giving my speech for me. So, in other words, thank you so much for the 3 decades of excellence. I'd like to say that I have worked very, very hard. Wait, let me finish. Aris, don't talk. I have to finish the speech first. Listen to my speech. So, since I'm speaking on behalf of you, pay attention. Huh. But thank you so much for my 3 decades of hard work, and I really, really appreciate it that all of y'all are here today. I'm very, very thankful. Anything more? Humble?
No.
Thank you so much. Ghar pe bhi yahi. Listen to me. Yeah, we listen to me. Thanks, guys.
Congratulations, Ajay.
Congratulations,
Thank you,
AJ.
Kajol, for that
Thank you,
lovely
Kajol.
speech, and thanks, Chunky.
आजकल सोशल मीडिया के ज़माने में सिर्फ हीरो हीरोइन ही स्टाइलिश नहीं होते, डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर भी स्टाइलिश होते हैं.
इसीलिए हमारा नेक्स्ट अवार्ड है Pocket FM presents Most Stylish Filmmaker.
And to present this award, I would like to call upon stage Malvika Sujan, an Associate Director, Strategic Partnership, Pocket FM, and Ashwini Iyer Tiwari ji.
Wow, this is nice because she's a friend and she's someone I really respect, and we have spent a lot of time together. Kiran Rao.
So well deserved. Look at her, strut her stuff onto the stage. If you can't call that stylish, what do you call stylish? Kiran Rao.
No, of course. Congratulations, Kiran.
Thank you so much. I guess I'm delighted that you guys think I'm stylish. I love style, I love fashion, so this is a nice honor to have. But I hope more than anything you consider me a filmmaker whose films you love, whose films you find fashionable, stylish, relevant, and touching. So thank you for the love. Thank you, Pink Villa. Thank you, you lovely hosts, and Ashwini. And I keep the love coming. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Kiran. Thank you, Ashwini. And the next award is for Danube Properties Dubai presents Timeless Fashion Icon Male.
And to give away this award, I'd like to call on stage Fardeen Khan.
Hello again, Fardeen.
And the winner is truly timeless, truly an icon, Sunil Shetty.
We're not used to awards. I haven't got many. Definitely not for acting, but thank you so much for this. Absolutely love it, and I think that's one of the main reasons why you also end up trying to stay fit, so you look good in whatever you wear. Thank you. God bless.
So well deserved. Thank you, Sunil.
Thank you, Anna. Congratulations. The next award is for Danube Properties Dubai presents Game Changer of the Year, OTT and Cinema Male.
And to present this award, we'd like to call on stage the lovely Ami Patel.
And the winner is, any guesses?
A few words on your award.
मैं तो बस आया ही था.
Yeah, we love the timing of the entry. We took your name and you walked in.
जैसे लोग गेट पे आ रहे हम लोग अवार्ड अनाउंस कर रहे हैं.
घर भी पास में ही है मेरे. चल के आ सकता था यहाँ तक. But thank you so much for honoring me with this award. It means a lot. I'm very grateful, and it was a great opportunity one of the best opportunities I got to work with a young talent called Aryan Khan, who is such an awesome, awesome talent. He is just full of fire and energy, and I believe, and mark my words, whatever he does is always going to be amazing. He's always going to surprise you all, the audiences, and I think
I was just very lucky to have worked with him. And thank you, Pink Villa, for this beautiful trophy. Thank you.
And Bobby, you've always reinvented yourself with different looks, and you're looking awesome today.
Thank you, Ritesh.
As always.
Thank you.
As always.
Thank you.
Whatever you do, you look just fantastic. And many congratulations on your award.
Thank you, guys. Love you all.
Thank you, Bobby.
Love.
The next award is for Best Film OTT, and to present this award, I would like to call upon stage Mr. Milab Zaveri.
It's going to be a long night.
Milab, many congratulations on the
The
award.
smile is getting wider and wider. जितने award आप ले रहे हैं और दे रहे हैं, आपकी मुस्कुराहट और भी बड़ी हो जा रही है. It's lovely. It's a great look on you.
And the winner for Best Film OTT, it gives me great pride to present it to my friends for Kalidhar Lapata, Nikhil Advani, Madhu Bhojwani and Monisha Advani, MA Entertainment. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Pink Villa. It's more special to receive this award from Milap, who is a dear friend of ours and of MA Entertainment. But and thank you, Neha, and thank you, Ritesh.
Congratulations.
Lovely to see you guys.
I was just going to say you made Kalidhar Lapata, and Milap gave you the award. Milap has been Lapata from your office now.
That's very unfair for you to say. Never lapata from our lives and our hearts. But I just want to say thank you so much, Pink Villa, on behalf of all of MA Entertainment, Nikhil, Monisha, myself. Big thank you to the whole cast and crew. Really, really happy to be receiving this. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations.
रितेश, कुछ चेहरे सिर्फ पर्दे पर नहीं चमकते, वो दिलों में भी बस जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल नेहा, और कुछ नाम सिर्फ स्टार नहीं होते, वो जज्बात बन जाते हैं, क्योंकि उनकी अदाकारी ने हमें प्यार भी सिखाया, दोस्ती भी और हिम्मत से जीना भी.
हम बात कर रहे हैं द ग्रेट, द आइकॉनिक, द वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम एक्टर धर्मेंद्र जी की, जिनकी मुस्कान में अपनापन और उनकी अदाकारी में एक पूरा दौर बसा है. आइए याद करते हुए उनके बारे में कुछ और बातें जानते हैं. Can we please take a look at the AV, please?
कुछ सितारे सिर्फ चमकते नहीं, वो रोशन कर देते हैं पूरी पीढ़ी को. धर्मेंद्र उन्हीं सितारों में से एक हैं.
Namaskar. I have been truly fortunate to share my film journey with Dharamji. And together we have been part of numerous timeless hit movies and melodious songs of Hindi cinema. For the world, he was a legend, a symbol of love, compassion. Yes, this world has lost an extraordinary human being. Bollywood has lost a most charming and charismatic actor. Family lost a friend, philosopher, and guide, while I lost a part of myself. कभी-कभी ये सोचकर मुझे आश्चर्य भी होता है कि जिस शख्स के साथ फिल्मों में प्यार का अभिनय करती थी, देखते ही देखते वो मेरे जीवन साथी बन गए. प्यार सच्चा था. हर परिस्थिति का सामना करते हुए हम आगे बढ़े और हमने शादी कर ली. धर्म जी मेरे लिए एक प्रेरणादायक साथी बनकर हमेशा साथ खड़े रहे. मेरी बेटियों के लिए और परिवार के सभी बच्चों के लिए वात्सल्य से भरे पिता बनकर, सभी ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन के लिए एक प्यारे नानू बनकर रहे. बहुत सारा प्यार दिया. टुडे दो धर्मजी may not be here with us physically, उनकी आत्मिक उपस्थिति हमेशा रहेगी. अपने प्रियजनों, फैंस और प्रशंसकों के दिल में एक खूबसूरत याद बनकर वो हमेशा साथ रहेंगे. मुझे इस बात की खुशी है कि धर्मजी का जीवन सफल और संपन्न रहा है. His life is a celebration. So let's celebrate.
उनका नाम आते ही दिल में एक अजीब सी नरमाहट आ जाती है, जैसे पुराने दिनों का वो सुकून भरा दौर लौट आया हो।
I have the deepest respect, admiration for Dharamji. And I have to say that I'm blessed that I got to work with him in Rocky Aur Rani Ki Prem Kahani. I don't think I've met a kinder man. I don't think I've interacted with a kinder man. A gentle soul and such a massive movie star. I've grown up admiring his ability to transform from comedy to drama, but always, always so immensely lovable on celluloid. There isn't a single film of his where your heart doesn't go wide open when you watch it, or you can't stop smiling every time you see him on screen. He's given us some of the most memorable cinema, some of the most memorable songs, and some of the most memorable moments in Hindi cinema. And for that, as an audience, as a filmmaker, I am eternally, eternally grateful. Working with him on Rocky Aur Rani was one of the biggest items on my bucket list. Every day I interacted with him was special to me. I feel like he's blessed me, and I feel his blessings will take me forward in life. We wish you so much, Dharamji, and my love and regards to his incredibly wonderful family, because all of them, including the industry, all of us literally miss him every single day of our lives.
धर्मेंद्र को हमेशा उनके आइकॉनिक रोल्स, उनके दिलचस्प किस्से और उनकी जादुई करिश्मा के लिए याद किया जाएगा। धर्म जी, आप हमेशा याद आएंगे।
धर्म जी बेपनाह प्यार का प्रतीक है। उनके लिए बस एक बात कहना चाहूँगा, जिंदगी का किरदार कुछ ऐसे निभाओ, पर्दा गिरने के बाद भी लोग तालियां बजाते रहे। वी लव यू धर्म जी। Next award is for the Best Supporting Actor Male.
And to present this wonderful award, we'd like to invite on stage. We would like to. It's me. Oh, sir.
Hi. Can we
a man who needs
round of applause for Mr. Shekhar Suman.
Ladies and gentlemen, the lifesaver. Thank you.
Well, hello, now it does. I'm here to give the award for the Best Supporting Actor Male. अब हवाएं करेंगी रोशनी का फैसला, जिस दिए में जान होगी वो दिया रह जाएगा. And the winner is Vineet Kumar Singh.
Thank you, Ritesh. Thank you, Neha.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
What a fantastic performance and a very well-deserved award.
Thanks to Pink Villa for this incredible honor. Thanks to the jury. Thanks to my director, Lakshman Otekar sir. Thanks to my producer, Dinesh Vijan sir and Pooja Vijan. Thanks to my co-actor, my Raje, Vicky Kaushal. And thanks to everyone who believed in me, especially my sister Mukti, my brother Kartikeya, and my wife Ruchira. Thanks to the audience. Thank you so much for your love. This means a lot. Thank you. Thank you.
So well deserved.
Thank you, Shekhar sir.
Congratulations,
Congratulations, Vineet.
The next honor is for Director Special Elaichi presents Best Actor in a Negative Role.
And to present this award on stage, I would like to call upon Ami Patel.
We're keeping you very busy this evening, Ami. आपको पता था ना ये पिंक विला इसलिए आपकी आउटफिट भी मैचिंग बहुत खूबसूरत लगी.
Exactly. I was just telling Nandini that backstage. Pink Villa. The winners are Akshay Khanna and Arjun Rampal for Dhurandhar.
Thank you very much. Very rich, long time.
Long time, brother. Congratulations.
promotion.
Stupendous success and fantastic performance.
Thank you. And what a lovely, lovely trailer. Good luck.
Thank you.
You look amazing. Yeah. Thank you everyone. Very special film to be receiving this. Very tough characters to play. And on behalf of Rahman Dakat, I'm very, very pleased to take it. He was a fantastic actor. It was wonderful sharing screen space with him. But of course, Aditya Dhar, he is the champion. Because thank you for giving us characters like this, making us believe in them, writing them so well, taking such good care of us. Very, very difficult part to play, for sure, for all of us. I remember Akshay and I doing the 2611 scene, and we didn't know how we were going to go through it. And then we just... Thank you. And then we just decided to say, let's pretend as if India and Pakistan are watching an India-Pakistan cricket match, and Pakistan is winning this time. So that's how we did it. But again, thank you very much to the whole team of Dhurandhar. Preeti, Karan for the makeup, Smriti for the wonderful costumes, Vikash, our DOP, and Ojas. Without them, this was impossible. So thank you very much.
Arjun, how does it feel to play one of the most hated characters and to receive such love from the audience?
I know, it's crazy, isn't it? I mean, you don't even realize that's going to happen. I thought Rizwan Bhai is here. I thought I'd be getting in touch with him to move to Dubai after this film. but yeah, man, you know how it is. You got to put your heart into it. And as an actor, that's all you can do. I had to bring hatred towards me. I'm glad I could invoke that, because people like that deserve hatred. Right. And somewhere that's my way of taking revenge.
No matter how you performed was extraordinary. So many congratulations on the award. And since it's Pink Villa, Neha has something for you.
I don't.
It's written. So we have music here, and we have to do a dance performance.
Me and dancing?
I'm paid to ask a question.
Well, I spin. मैं नचाता हूँ, नाचता नहीं हूँ.
In the same spin movement, we'll just do a little bit of a spin off on Flipperachi with you.
Okay, can we have the music, please?
We'll need more of you.
The next award is for Bright Outdoor Media presents Best Director Inspirational Film.
और इस अवार्ड को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगी पिंक विला सीईओ नंदिनी शेनॉय, डॉक्टर योगेश लखानी, चीफ मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ ब्राइट Outdoor Media Limited. A huge round of applause for both of them.
And the winner is Anupam Kher.
That's one of the best awards that one has got, Inspirational Director. I have been inspiration to many actors, to many people, and life has been great inspirational for me. Tanvi the Great is a very special film for me. I got inspired by my niece, whose name is Tanvi, who inspired me to make this film. I wanted to make a film about goodness. I wanted to make a film about hope and about compassion, and it's come in this form. It could have not been possible without my leading lady who played the role of Tanvi, so it's an incomplete award unless I call Shubhangi. It's her first performance and she was fantastic. Shubhangi, come on stage and get this award. And my producer, Herman D'Souza, and my writer, Abhishek. And so many people who are not here, Arvind Swami, Baman Irani, Pallavi Joshi, so many people who gave their kind of sweat and blood to it. It's fantastic to... Ritesh,
sir,
come and stand next to me. आप भी आइए ना please यहाँ पर मेरे पास. Neha, आ जाइए, आ जाइए, आज. I like people with long hair standing next to me. I feel more exposed in terms of. But.
Sir, 23 years.
23 years it took.
Yeah, later you directed a film. It took 23 years, sir. And why did you make us wait for so long?
Because the first film that I directed was somebody else's story. I was very excited that at the middle of my acting career, I was getting something to direct. I was very excited that I was directing Wahida ji, Anil, Fardeen and Abhishek. But the story was not mine. So I waited for 23 years till the story came, and it's the kind of messages that we've got once it has come on Amazon Prime is phenomenal. In my entire career of 41 years and 550 films, I have not got such amazing messages of encouragement and compassion and love.
And I hope you're not going to make us wait for such.
No. Next year, next film, immediately.
Great, we
and
look forward to it.
congratulations to you also for
Thank
your
you,
next
sir.
film. Thank you, Shubhangi. You are brilliant in the film. And I am saying this as your teacher, not as your director. Would you like to say something?
Yeah, Shubhangi, please do say a few words.
Big congratulations to you, sir. I have known you as a teacher, as the principal of our school, Actor Prepares. But when I started working with you, you were not just a brilliant actor that I have grown up seeing, but you were a brilliant director, and above all, you were a brilliant human being. And I'm so grateful, and I thank my stars every day कि मुझे आपकी छत्र छाया में पढ़ने का मौका मिला. So thank you so much. You deserve this and all the awards which have best just before the verb to it. So congratulations, sir.
And that's Herman, and that's my writer Abhijay. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Congratulations, sir. अब आप डायरेक्शन में उतर आए हैं तो बाकी लोगों की खैर नहीं.
ये बात तो है. खैर टाइम की बात है, वक्त की बात है. But thank you,
Ladies and
Mr.
gentlemen,
Suman.
cast, crew.
Thank you so much. The best.
Thank you, Yogesh ji. आप
वाह.
डॉक्टर बन गए? डॉक्टर? पता नहीं कुछ.
And the next award is for IGP Presents Most Stylish Emerging Actor.
And to present this award, we would like to invite on stage Tarun Joshi, founder and CEO of IGP, and Miss Madhu to announce the winner. Hello. You're looking lovely. Hi, sir.
And the winner is Aishwari Thackeray.
Congratulations, Aishwarya. Please say a few words.
Thank you, Pink Villa, and thank you everyone here for having me here, honoring me with this award. Emerging is a cool word. I hope in due time I can fully emerge properly, and one step at a time. I hope and I promise to do my best and work towards staying. That's all. Thank you. Thank you. everyone.
ऐश्वर्या, एक सवाल मुझे आपसे पूछना है.
Yes, of course,
जब
of
मैंने
course.
अपने करियर की शुरुआत 23 साल पहले की थी, तो ज्यादातर मुझे सवाल यही पूछे जाते थे कि आप एक पॉलिटिकल बैकग्राउंड से आते हो और आपने फिल्म में आना चूज किया. तो आई वांट टू आस्क यू द सेम क्वेश्चन.
I mean,
how was that decision? Was it easy?
It was
it
actually a
difficult?
very easy decision for me. There was nothing that I was really inclined towards going in that direction. I was always very creative while growing up, into music, into films. And I just thought this was the best path for me to choose. And yeah, this is something that I enjoy doing, I love doing, and I hope to do this till the day I die.
That's all.
You are phenomenal in your film. Many congratulations. You truly do deserve this award. And best.
Many congratulations
Thank
to
you.
you, and
Thank
I'm
you so
just really glad that both of you decided to join the movies. What huge assets you both are. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
guys.